Greetings, my cyber student. This week we will be discussing cyberbullying and the effects it has on its victims, how it's different to regular bullying, and what you can do to protect yourself from cyberbullying. On this webpage, you will find resources which will go into further detail beyond this video, and we will then have an activity and a quiz to complete to assess what you have learnt from this week's web session. What is cyberbullying? Cyberbullying includes sending nasty messages or emails to others, humiliating people by sending or posting images of videos that might embarrass them, spreading rumours about people online, and creating fake profiles and posing as someone else. Cyberbullying can mean different things to different people, but to define it simply, it's when any bullying or any of the above actions are done online. How does cyberbullying affect its victims? Some of the ways it can affect people is emotionally, mentally, behaviourally, and physically. The emotional effects are generally when the victim is left feeling humiliated, isolated, angry, and powerless. The mental effects have been known to lead to depression, anxiety, low self-esteem, academic issues, and thoughts of suicide and self-harm. The behavioural changes that might be noticed in a victim of cyberbullying are loss of interest in activities and may cause the victim to act out in an unusual manner. For example, abusing drugs and alcohol, skipping school, and carrying a weapon because they feel unsafe. Some of the physical side effects of cyberbullying can bring on gastrointestinal issues such as nausea, diarrhea, stomach ulcers, and vomiting. Disordered eating habits such as skipping meals or binge eating, sleep disturbances which can include night terrors, insomnia, and sleeping more than usual. Now, what makes cyberbullying different to regular bullying? Well, for young Australians who are being cyberbullied, they are more likely to suffer with more extremity than regular bullying, as the nature of cyberbullying is invasive in the aspect that the victim can't escape their bully because it follows them home on their technology devices, and it can happen at any time or anywhere. Because technology is used to cyberbully, hurtful messages, harmful images, and rumours are more likely to spread quicker than in person. Cyberbullying material, such as harmful photos or messages, can't be retrieved in the same way physical material can. So what can you do to protect yourself from cyberbullying? There is no best way to protect yourself from cyberbullying, as each case is different. The best first point of action to take is to tell an adult or the kids helpline. You can report or post the image, keep evidence by taking screenshots of the messages or post, then make a report on the eSafety website. You can block or report the person, but if all else fails and you feel unsafe, then you can get help by calling the police cyber safety department. That's all we have time for today's session. Don't forget to speak up if you're being cyberbullied or if you know someone who is. We can make a difference if we all work together to do the right thing. All links and numbers have been provided. If you want to find out more or need to report something you've seen or been victim to.